Hello everybody! I wanted to give you a preview of my Easter creations that are going to be coming up in my Etsy shop. And most of these pieces are made from my rescued treasures from the flea market. So let me show you what I've been working on. I thought this was a good place to start. Look at the face. Isn't that so sweet? This is a pink bunny that I rescued from the flea market. And it was so sweet in its own way. I didn't really want to overdo it. So I just added some vintage flowers from an old hat. And these are particularly special because they're velvet. They're so beautiful. This is a vintage lace bow around Bunny's neck and a piece of rhinestone jewelry. So I think this piece here is so sweet. Not even necessarily just for Easter, but for spring or all year long if you love pink bunnies, right? Okay, so speaking of rescued treasure, this little lady, isn't she just darling? This is one of those things, you guys, when you go to the flea market, you see something like this, and she had a chip off the top of her little flower hat. So obviously anyone collecting these type of pieces, this is a Napco 1958, they don't want broken pieces in their collection, so they get discarded. They're at the flea market knocking around for a couple bucks or even less. So she was so pretty, and you can easily remedy all those little bumps and bruises with some beautiful flowers, which I did. I added flowers all around her hat. I added some extra to her dress. She's like a little planter, but almost was like an egg cup. So I added a pink egg in the back, and I nestled that in a bunch of vintage tinsel back here. And from a Easter greeting card, Easter greetings, I cut that out from inside the card and put that on front, and she just really turned out pretty, and she would just look so cute on any shelf, I think, don't you? She's darling. Okay, another little rescued find was White Rabbit here, and I love the Easter pastels, so I thought I'd keep that theme going with my bunny. And first of all, I added these fluffy feathers, which kind of look like bunny fur. And this is a lavender flower, the lavender shades on the ribbon, and this old piece of jewelry, which picked up all of those different shades of lavender. I put this on a wooden disc that's trimmed in sparkly, kind of pinkishy tinsel and little tiny flowers, velvet flowers. And I hand stamped Easter blessings and put that right on the front. I think this turned out really, really sweet. All right, what do we got next? I said this on my Instagram post the other day that when spring rolls around, I just get out these peat pots. You know, these little garden peat pots. I love them for spring decorations, and I love making things out of them. So this is an ordinary peat pot. It's wrapped in old lace, a little bit of tinsel, and an old mother of pearl button. Inside here, this is really sweet. This bunny is a German die cut, and I built it up on a little bit of wood. It has its body wrapped in a wool yarn, has a little cupcake wrapper skirt. This basket's filled with flowers. This is really old pipe cleaner here for the hanger. Old flea market ribbon that I found. Wooden egg. This was a flea market find. And I stuffed it with the vintage tinsel. And I think this turned out so beautiful. You could just set this anywhere or even hang it on an Easter tree. Okay, speaking of an Easter tree, these are just so precious. These pieces here, I found a bag at the flea market that had these little wooden Easter decorations. This is a little bird in a bucket. This is a bunny sitting on a train using these gorgeous pastel colors. So what I did was dressed them up a little bit, connected them to a clothespin so they clip right on to the branch of your Easter tree. This has some old lace on it. I added velvet flowers, some glitter, some bows, and these things are just absolutely darling. And I don't know, maybe you can clip them on a little gift bag or something too, but they're perfect for an Easter tree. Now these guys here, these probably would be my less vintage thing that I have, but I was just in the mood. I saw some little wooden spools that I had. I wrapped them in a really thick wool roving yarn, which I love. They have a pipe cleaner hanger, a blue bunny and a pink bunny, some of these little embroidered pink roses and ribbon, but I'm selling these as a pair. How cute for a tree, right? Especially some of the Easter trees are kind of a little miniature size, so that works really well for that. Okay, these guys here, I had fun with these. These were vintage clothespins. I love my vintage clothespins. You can see the patina of the wood is so sweet. And what I did here, I added a bunny head. This is a cupcake wrapper skirt. I started out wrapping my bunnies in a really thick wool roving yarn. I love it. It's very organic. It's very natural. So I love this bunny because he's the boy bunny. He has legs. He says a happy hello. She says Easter blessings, and they're handing each other flowers. These are great ornaments for your Easter tree, or you can just kind of hang them up anywhere. They're very sweet. They have bunny tails on the back too, so there's a lot of detail going on with these. I like to add a lot of extra things. And then here's the pair, same pair, but this is in my lavender colors, which for Easter, the Easter pastels I love, and they're holding these beautiful lavender velvet flowers. So those are two bunny pairs, boys and girls. They're going to come together as a pair. Now, last, this was my favorite thing that I did. These are from a children's tin lithograph tea set. They've been well loved. A friend of mine gave these to me. Mary gave them to me, and thank you, Mary. And they have pink roses on them. They're darling, so they needed to be altered up a little. They were, like I said, a little well loved. So inside here, this is a gorgeous little bunny in here. It says Happy Easter. This is from an old Easter card. There's some green Easter grass, lots of flowers. This has a pink seam binding ribbon to hang on your tree. Isn't that darling? Okay, this one here is a little different cup. This one has leaves on it of all different pastel colors. Has a vintage bunny tucked inside. Happy Easter from an old card. A lot of flowers. The pink seam binding I used on this as well, which hangs from the hanger. So these hang just perfectly cute. So they hang from a little knob, your Easter tree. This one here is Peace. This has a vintage lamb inside. Isn't that so sweet? These are velvet, yellow velvet flowers. They just won my heart, and I mixed them in with a little bit of those purples and lavenders that look so pretty together for spring. This is also one of the rose cups that I love the color of these cups. These turned out just so cute. And finally, this guy here, this is the same cup, but it's not a teacup. It looks like it might have been a sugar bowl. It had handles on both sides. This is hanging from a gray and white check ribbon. This is a pink bunny in here with glittered ears and bunny fur in there. The bow, beautiful pink flowers, and these are all trimmed in a little tiny sparkly tinsel. So there's some really cute ideas for Easter projects. And these items will be on sale Wednesday, March 24th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time in my Etsy shop. My shop link is in the description box below. And I'm so happy that you could hang out with me today. And I hope that you'll join me for my next creative project.